we're going to add 5/8 plus 2/3. Now, adding, subtracting, unlike denominators, as you can see, the denominators are not the same. Therefore, we have to get the denominators the same. The best way to get the denominators the same is using least common denominator. We have to use the least common denominator, okay? Now, in class, I've shown 3 ways to find the least common denominators. The first way is listing multiples. The second way is the formula that we use, LCD or LCM is equal to GCF, which is the greatest common factor, times all other factors. The third way to find least common denominator is highest power. So based off of this problem, we need 8 and 3. I typically use the second option, LCD is equal to GCF times all of the factors when we're dealing with 2 numbers. But because these numbers are so low, I'm going to use listing multiples, okay? Using listing multiples to find LCD. So, we have 3 and we have 8. One, 2, 3, 8. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 26. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. So by using listed multiples, we were able to determine that the least common denominator is 24 because the lowest number that can go into, that we can divide 8 and 3 into evenly is 24. So therefore, the least common denominator is 24. Take our LCD. We have to convert these fractions. Convert 5/8 to a fraction that has 24 as its denominator. We take 2/3 and convert that into a fraction that has 24 as its denominator. What number do we have to multiply 8 by to get 24? 3. So we multiply 8 times 3 to get 24. That means whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So 5 times 3 is what?
15.
So 5 over 8 is equal to 15 over 24. Now we have the second one. What number do we multiply 3 by to get to 24?
8.
3 times 8 is equal to 24. What we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So now we have, instead of having 5/8 plus 2/3, we have 15 over 24 plus 16 over 24. Now as you recall from the last segment, we added fractions with the same denominators. And since we have the same denominators, we know that that's going to be the denominator of the sum. So we have the same denominator, and this tells us what to do with these 2 numbers. So 15 plus 16 over 24 is equal to 31 over 24. Now that is an improper fraction. So to get that to be a mixed number, we divide 24 into 31. 24 goes into 31 one time. And we have 7 left over. And that's over 24. So the answer is 1 and 7/24. So 5 over 8 plus 2/3 is equal to 1 and 7 over 24.